Okay. Okay, this time we're going to be going over how to transition from all different four corners, but we're going to be using all the techniques that we use along with the stances, along with the punch, and along with the blocks. All right, so first thing that we're going to do is we're going to do our block, our downward block first. So come to attention and bow. We're going to do our step out to the side. What we're going to do this time is we're going to step, we're just going to do four corners. We're going to do one this way. I'm going to turn this way first. I'm going to come back. I'm going to step this way. I'm going to turn this way. I'm going to step out this way. Then I'm going to turn this way. Okay? Using the X block, the two techniques together. Okay? The very basic. Okay? So I'm going to do the X block. Remember this part? I'm going to turn my body sideways. Then I'm going to step out. Both hands come out at the same time. Then I'm going to come back to this position. Then I'm going to step this way. Then I'm going to step this way. Remember the X block in here. I'm going to look over the back shoulder, which is my right shoulder. Step sideways. We're going to come back. I'm going to look over my, that was my right shoulder. I'm going to look over my left shoulder. And then back. Okay? So this time, so that's just the four corners. What it is I'm stepping forward. I'm trying to get my feet together and understand how I step out by leaving one foot stationary. Okay? And then I'm going to do it with my left hand and then my right hand. What I'm going to do is I'm going to single-handedly do it this way, but I'm going to step into a forward stance. So I go back to my V and L, step out with my left leg first, downward block. I'm going to stay with my left side first. I'm going to step this way. Come back to my V and L. I'm going to look over my left shoulder, look completely behind me, turn. Come back up here. Now I'm going to go from here, from one, this is 1, 2, 3, and on this side is 4, but I have to follow 1, 2, 3, 4. That's number 4. Then I come back to 3, 2, and 1. This is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, I'm still covering every time that I come back. Every time. Now I'm going to go to the right. Same thing. V and L. 1, 2. My knees are bent. 3, 4. 3, 2, 1. That's called a four-corner drill. Working all of your blocks into that stance. We'll do the same thing with Huku Jase stance. Same thing. Bring your feet together, stepping out. This gives you a better opportunity of learning how to transition fighting multiple people in a circle. So that was a little bit more intermediate, but you get an opportunity to get it now, get an opportunity to work on it now. Nothing is intermediate unless you have an intermediate mind. So, Chonku Jase, Huku Jase, or you could do a fighting stance. If you fighting stance, it doesn't make a difference. As long as you're a good fighting stance. If I was doing it with the jab, maybe I'll do the jab with my fighting stance. Fighting stance, I throw the jab, 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 same sides, jab, 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 jab. Okay, so remember on my left side is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I come all the way back. On my right side is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I come all the way back around. All right? So, constant practice. That's the only way you're going to get good on your movements. You do the same with the hip block. If I was either stance that I decide to do, either stance that I decide to do, either side that I decide to do, it doesn't make a difference. Long as I'm turning to work this technique. Hanso pocket roll, same thing. 1. Now, we didn't go over Hanso pocket roll, but that's good because Hanso pocket roll is done like so. This hand is in the middle. My body always. I change places. That's what I'm hitting you with. So, if I have to step here, fighting stance, hukujase, hanso, pocket roll, maki. All the way back around to here. All the way back around here. All right? So, you got some more things to work on. It's a lot of material. But the best is always found training. The ones that do not want to be the best, that want to continue to be lazy, is sitting around playing a video game, twiddling their thumbs, watching what other people do. The ones that want to be successful are working hard. All right. Thank you very much.